Pump up a 160 balloon all the way. Fold the balloon in half and twist at the fold. Make 2 one-finger bubbles, one on each side of the twist. Do a pinch twist on both bubbles by pinching the bubble, pulling out, and then twisting. Then pump up another 160 balloon. This one only has to be pumped up halfway. Fold the balloon in half and twist. Then braid the balloon all the way to the end. Twist 2 bubbles at the end. It doesn't matter how big or small they are because you won't be needing them for long. Put the horn in between the 2 bubbles you made on the first balloon, and wrap the bubbles from the horn around the first balloon. Cut off the tips of the bubbles from the horn to deflate them, and then tie them in a knot. Then cut off the leftover pieces. Make sure one of the bubbles from the first balloon is in front of the horn and one is behind the horn. This will keep it upright. Measure a 3-finger gap and then make a loop in the first balloon. The loop only needs to be big enough to fit the circumference of the balloon. Push the end of the balloon through the loop. This will keep it from coming undone. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Measure the second loop against the first loop to make sure they're the same size. Then push the end of the balloon through the second loop. Measure the hat around a person's head and then twist. If there's enough room, you can also add a second twist to make it look more like a mane. In order to make this unicorn hat, you'll need a pump, scissors, and 2 160 balloons. If you'd like to get these items on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.